Here we continue with paragraph 17. Back in the trailer, a technician pulled up astonishing images of Toad on a computer screen. In the trailer, there was a technician who had created a image of the king of Toad. A grey head took shape from a scattering of pixels. He had created a grey colored head. It was Toad's head. And the technician spun and tilted it in every direction. The technician turned, it spun, यानी उसने उसको हर दिशा में मोड़कर उस हेड को देखा. Neck vertebrae appeared as clearly as in an anatomy class. And the neck vertebrae ऐसा नजर आ रहा था जैसे कि कोई एनाटॉमी क्लास में वो नजर आ रहा था. नेक वर्टेब्रे का मतलब होता है द नेक बोन. इट वॉज वेरी क्लियरली विजिबल. Other images revealed a hand, several views of the rib cage, and a transection of the skull. Other images were like the image of hand, several views of rib cage के भी images थे, and transection of the skull के भी images उसमें बनाए गए थे. But for now, the pressure was off. Sitting back in his chair, Zahi Awaz smiled, visibly relieved that nothing had gone seriously wrong. But for now, Jai Hawass, the in charge of this mission, he seemed to be very easy now. वो अब थोड़ा आराम महसूस कर रहे थे because nothing has been gone seriously wrong. That means no data had been lost of Toot's body. That is why he was feeling quite good now. I didn't sleep last night. Past night he could not sleep. Not for a second. He even could not sleep for a second, he said. I was so worried. He was really so worried then. But now I think I will go and sleep. And he says, now I can go and I can sleep now. Here we come to the last paragraph, guys. By the time we left the trailer, descending metal stairs to the sandy ground, the wind had stopped. At the time when they were just coming back from the trailer, they were descending from the trailer, they found that the wind had stopped. No wind was blowing there. The winter air lay cold and still. The winter air was still there. हवा रुक गई थी. Like death itself. ऐसे स्टिल या ऐसे रुक गई थी जैसे मौत रुक जाती है. In this valley of the departed, where in that valley of the departed, मतलब मरे हुए लोगों को वहां पे टॉम बनाया गया है, उसको वैली, जो वैली कहा गया है, उस वैली में हवा का बहना भी शांत हो गया था. Just above the entrance of Toot's tomb stood Orion, the constellation that the ancient Egyptian knew as the soul of Orisis, the god of the afterlife, watching over the boy king. And they found that just over the tomb of Toot's dead body, okay, टॉम के मम्मी के जो टॉम था, जो कब्र था, उसके जस्ट ऊपर there was seemed the Orion. Orion means the constellation that the ancient Egyptian knew as the soul of Orisis. कॉन्स्टेलेशन ताराओं का वो समूह है जिसको कि पुराने इजिप्ट के लोग मानते थे कि मृत्यु के बाद, कॉन्स्टेलेशन यानी कि ताराओं का वो समूह, यानी कि वो एक प्रकार का गॉड है जो मरने के बाद के लोगों का गॉड है. आफ्टर लाइफ वाला गॉड मानते थे उसको. ओके. और टूट के कब्र के जस्ट ऊपर ही आकाश में देखा गया कि वो जो कॉन्स्टेलेशन था उसके ऊपर ही नजर आ रहा था. सो गाइस, now we are done with the lesson 3, discovering Toad. The saga continues, which is written by A.R. Williams. Okay, thank you.